Ever since I started collecting model airplanes about 6 years ago, one thing has been missing. Never ever has an actual passenger stepped foot onto my model airport. But today that is about to change. In these plastic bags are passengers and some other pieces of ground service equipment, which I'm going to unbox and show to you today. I have bought all these items on eBay and I will put the links to them down in the description. The first ground service equipment vehicle are these aircraft stairs, which come for €10 per 10 pieces. Secondly are these ground power units, which also come in a set of 10 pieces for €10. In this bag are 60 airport workers, which also come in at a price of €10. And finally here are the passengers, which come in a set of 60 for €10. Let's take a closer look at all of the pieces of equipment. Starting with the aircraft stairs, which come at two different heights. One for large and one for small aircraft. They are nicely detailed with different colors. From the top it is barely visible that they are 3D printed. From the bottom you see some traces and marks, but that's not really important. The ground power unit then is a power bank which connects to the aircraft on the ground. It is really tiny and also comes with nice coloring, and I like the orange light on top. And finally the airport personnel and passengers, which are both really tiny, about half a centimeter per person. Though when you translate that from the 1:400 scale to real life, it's actually a 2-meter tall person, which is really tall. The airport workers come in yellow and orange jackets, and the passengers come in different colors as well. Here I am testing the air stairs on a wide-body aircraft, and you see that the tall one came just too high, but the lower one was perfect. The ground power unit is always positioned somewhere around the nose of the aircraft. And next let's set up the passengers. They can balance themselves thanks to the platform that they are 3D printed on top of, though they are still really tiny, meaning a pair of tweezers comes in very handy to position all of these people. And this looks really nice in my opinion. Really asking myself the question, why did it take so long to add passengers to my airport? Now let's complete the setup of ground service equipment by adding some cones in front of the engines and underneath the wingtips. And also add some buses, a pushback tug, catering truck, some baggage carts, which I haven't bought from the eBay site that I just mentioned. Some of the vehicles I have 3D printed myself, and others are Herpa Wings 1:500 scale ground service equipment. All in all, definitely the passengers are a must-have addition to the model airport. And I think a price of €10 for 60 pieces is very reasonable.
Nothing beats it.
Now let's see how the ground service equipment fits at a narrow-body aircraft like this Boeing 737. And in particular the height of the air stairs, which as you can see is a bit too high. Though from a distance it looks decent, and with all of the rest of the ground service equipment around it, I think you have a really nice setup. The only negative is that it takes really a lot of time and patience to put it all together. In total I spent over 5 minutes setting up the whole scene. If you have a big model airport, it will take you multiple hours to set it all up. But the process is fun, creative, and in the end I think it looks amazing. And this is of course in my white unboxing studio, though the real fun begins when you set the ground service equipment and passengers up on a real airport, like my winter model airport over here. I said it multiple times already, but once again, the result and the looks of this airport with the passengers is stunning. Fantastic looking and ultra realistic. If you haven't got passengers on your airport yet, I can strongly recommend this edition. All relevant links will be listed down in the description. And whilst I show you a selection of really cool images that I made from the model airport with passengers, I want to say thank you for watching to this video. Comment down below what I should add to my airport next video to make it look even more realistic. Then I would like to thank you for watching. Please consider to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.